Creating a watermark is a simple process that allows you to protect and brand your images, videos, or documents. Here's a concise guide. Choose software. Select software for creating watermarks. You can use graphic design tools like Adobe Photoshop, Canva, or specialized watermarking software like TSR Watermark Image. Design your watermark. Decide what you want your watermark to include. This can be your name, logo, copyright symbol, or a combination of these elements. Keep it simple and unobtrusive as it shouldn't distract from the main content. Open your image. Open the image, video, or document you want to watermark in the chosen software. Create the watermark. In your selected software, add the text or logo you've designed for your watermark. Adjust its size, opacity, and position. It's usually placed in a corner or along the bottom of the content. Choose transparency. Set the watermark's transparency to make it semi-visible, allowing the underlying content to remain visible. Save your work. Save the watermarked image, video, or document under a new name to keep the original intact. Batch processing. If you have multiple images to watermark, look for batch processing options in your software to apply the same watermark to all of them simultaneously. Test your watermark. Before sharing or publishing, view your watermarked content to ensure it looks the way you want it to.